Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step on how to enter bills the right way in QuickBooks Online. Accurate bill entry is crucial for financial health, whether you're managing a small business or handling larger organizational finances. Let's get started. Open your web browser and go to the QuickBooks Online login page. Enter your login credentials and sign in. This will take you to the main dashboard, where all your business finances are managed. Next, navigate to the Expenses menu on the left-hand side. From there, select the Bills tab. This section gives you an overview of all your current and past bills, keeping everything organized in one place. Now, click the Add Bill button. This opens a new window where you can begin entering the details of your bill. Start by selecting the correct vendor. This step is very important because QuickBooks will automatically organize and group bills by frequent vendors, saving you time later. After selecting the vendor, carefully fill in the bill details. Enter the category to ensure proper expense tracking, type in the bill amount, select the due date, and add any important notes. Being thorough here will make your financial records much easier to understand in the future. Once all the details are entered, click Save and Schedule Payment. This not only saves the bill, but also sets up reminders so you'll never miss a payment deadline. To pay your bills, go to the Pay Bills feature. Here you can either mark a bill as paid if you've already completed the transaction, or schedule an online payment directly through QuickBooks, making the process fast and efficient. And that's it. By following these steps, you've entered a bill the right way in QuickBooks Online. This process ensures accurate financial records, keeps your bookkeeping organized, and makes managing payments much simpler. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.